This year, I don't want a Western style look for Valentine's Day. After watching Nancy Tyagi's video on YouTube, I loved the soft feminine vibe she created. Perfect for this occasion. Let's recreate this look with Indian attire. First, I will shape my eyebrows and then I will put fake lashes from Huda Beauty. It's the first time I'm trying lashes on my own. Then I will use Colossal Kajal to enhance my eyes. For a pinkish glow on my cheeks, I am blending lipstick properly on my cheeks. I will apply red lipstick and outline it with lip liner. Eyeshadow palette from NUDE using the shades Spanked and Excite will go perfect with pink saree. Then I will use MAC Illuminator to boost my makeup. I will apply a little bit on my eyelids, blend it properly and add a touch on my nose, cheeks and little bit on lips to give a shiny glittery effect. For accessories, I will wear pearl necklace that I made myself. You can purchase a variety of pearl necklaces and accessories from my Instagram page Prosperitas India. I will layer another pearl necklace for a double layered look and match it with heart shaped pearl earrings. I think one layer of pearl is enough. I will let my hair down and this is the final look for my Valentine's Day. You can try this look if you want to flaunt a soft feminine pinkish vibe without wearing gown or dress. This pink satin saree look will give you an elegant appearance on your Valentine's Day. Check out this video for a heatless straightening hack.